Both day and night, the transport on rubber does not stop. It goes on. Well, you know what? 80% of plastic bottles are transported on rubber. And the average journey that the bottle does, from when it comes out of the factory to when it comes home, is about 1,000 miles. Now, considering that a tire consumes an average of 1 liter of diesel oil per 3 kilometers of journey, by analyzing this data, we can say that in 1 year, 265,000 tons of CO2 are emitted into the atmosphere just for the transport of plastic bottles. Well, it is time to reverse course through the installation of a purifier from our partner company, Blue Gold. Each of you has the opportunity to take concrete action and contribute to reducing CO2 emissions into the atmosphere. Know that by installing a purifier for a family of 4, 265 kilograms of CO2 can be saved in 1 year. Small actions that add up make great results.